Did you know a father's cowardice accidentally built one of the greatest empires in history? In 1438, a rival confederation called the Chanca attacked Cusco, the heart of the Inca world. The reigning emperor panicked. He grabbed his chosen heir and fled the city, leaving it to fall. But his younger son, Kusei Yupanqui, refused to run. He rallied the remaining army, held the walls, and drove the Chanca back. Against every odd, Cusco survived. And then Kusi did something no one expected. He didn't hand the victory to his father. He took the throne for himself. He renamed himself Pachacuti, meaning Earthshaker. The name fit. Over the next 30 years, he built the Inca Empire from modern Ecuador all the way down to Chile. He personally designed Machu Picchu. He turned a city-state into a continent-spanning civilization. All of it traces back to one moment. A father ran, a son stayed. History didn't just reward him, it handed him an entire world.